In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a fee split with Co-Counsel in Clio Manage. You are already logged in to Clio Manage, so begin from the main workspace and look to the left navigation menu. Click Matters to open your list of matters. From there, find the matter where you want to apply the fee split and open it. This takes you into the matter record, where the billing setup for that file can be adjusted. Once the matter is open, click Edit Matter. This will open the editable settings for that specific matter. Move through the matter details until you reach the Billing Preferences section. This is where Clio Manage stores the billing arrangement connected to the matter, including any split billing or fee split details tied to Co-Counsel. Inside Billing Preferences, locate the setting labeled Fee Split or Split Billing. The wording can vary, so look for the option that controls how fees are allocated within the matter. When you find it, add the Co-Counsel who should receive a portion of the fees. Make sure you select the correct Co-Counsel entry before continuing, especially if your account contains more than one related contact or billing participant. After adding Co-Counsel, enter the percentage or the amount that should be allocated to that person. Use the arrangement that applies to this matter and enter it carefully, since this setting determines how the fee allocation is recorded when billing is created later. If the agreement is based on a percentage, enter the percentage. If it is based on a fixed amount, enter that amount in the appropriate field. Before saving, review the fee split information on screen. Check that the Co-Counsel entry is correct and that the allocation reflects the intended arrangement. This is the point to confirm that the billing preferences match the fee division you want attached to the matter. When everything looks correct, click Save Matter. Saving updates the billing arrangement on the matter record, so the fee split is kept with that file. After the matter is saved, the setup portion is complete. The final check happens when you bill the matter, open or review the bill for that matter, and confirm that the fee allocation is recorded according to the arrangement with Co-Counsel. This review helps verify that the split you entered in billing preferences is reflected in the billing output tied to the file. Thanks for watching. The matter is now set up with a saved fee split for Co-Counsel in Clio Manage.